bird flu spreads, egg prices are rising. That has restaurants scrambling. News Channel 9's Ashley Cafaro checking in with a Syracuse diner to find out how it's impacting their bottom line.
Sky-high egg prices have local diners scrambling. The owner of the Old Serpico's Diner in Syracuse says high costs are frying their budget. The price of eggs are climbing fast, impacting restaurant owners like Benny Barbieri, owner of the Old Serpico's Diner. Barbieri says prices have gone up nearly 600% in the last year or so. And as a result, he's having to dish out more money in order to keep up with the high demand for eggs.
Usually we buy for $1.29 a dozen. Now they are over $7 a dozen. So an egg costs like 60 cents, which used to cost like to 12 to 15 cents each. So it's a big expense right now.
And the Redwood Diner in East Syracuse is also feeling the pinch of rising egg prices. Coming up tonight, we'll tell you what the diner is doing to keep up with demand and supply. In Syracuse, Ashley Cafaro, News Channel 9.
Here's the